You got it on my door! Look at this. Charlie! No more!
You and I could chase forever.
Today it is a bit chilly. Random cold front came through Florida, so we have our jackets on and we are getting ready to do a deep clean of the RV and just get some of the random wood pieces and tools out of the way so we can prep everything for paint, sand the cabinets. Charlie's repairing the last little bit of wall damage that needs to be done, installing the hot water heater, and getting ready to paint. Ah! I forgot how to do it.
Honey, some things you gotta figure out.
I know, I'll figure it out.
Let's watch they try to figure it out.
Charlie,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Try that one up there. Let me get the ladder.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah.
I don't know why I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Move your sexy butt.
This one's my favorite though.
I hate that.
You hate that?
Because all of these are going to be this thickness, I believe. That's why a new core, it's thin. I just think it'd be a great concept having that. Like, you're already probably going to put rugs and stuff on it, so you're not going to see as much as you think you will.
So which one do you like?
This one, like the mid-tones. You like the dark horn.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Joe So-and-so, and I'm going to show you how to fix this RV.
You said something about the cookies.
Of course, we got to have the hot chocolate chip cookies coming out of that propane-fired oven.
Basically told us that the oven in the RV was crap, and if we wanted cookies, we could go down to the Walmart and get pre-made cookies. Which we kind of have heard that, so I think we're looking into getting a Breville oven. So we took out the microwave and we're gonna measure and see if the oven will fit in there, but that would be awesome because it can fit like a full-sized casserole dish and all kind of stuff.
You can casserole on down to Walmart to
My
pick up all
gosh.
thems.
What are you gonna do?
I am going to get this place a little more organized to do my next project.
Okay. So more organizing today. I was gonna sand the cabinets, but we forgot my mask. So it's probably not a good idea to do without the mask. So I'm gonna take the pulls off of the drawers and get the rest of the hardware off and just do a little more prep work for painting. We need to go look at paint colors.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we do.
Yes.
Come on over here, pumpkin booty cheeks.
So, that's the trim I was telling you. PVC waterproof.
I've used the drill before. So.
Well, you want to expand your horizons, or you want to know what you know?
I feel like it'd be easier with the drill.
Okay. For all you folks out there, the DeWalt gyroscopic screwdriver is freaking amazing.
These are the handles that we're taking off. We heard that you can spray paint them, but you said that you would think that they would crack and not really last.
Well, I think the paint would come off pretty easy.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to find some new ones, probably like a flat black. or something like that.
Yeah.
Set us on fire. Set us on fire. Take me higher. Set us on fire.
Or is this the one we use?
Gideon's good, but we can do bear too.
You can get pure white, and that is going to be your first base. But then, depending on what kind of white you get, like we want whatever the white on white.
The white on white.
So white on white probably has a touch of color in it, and that's why like so pure white, and then like this has to be tinted, and then there's like a mid base.
We got some paint samples at Home Depot. Originally, I was thinking of doing just like white cabinets and white walls, but I saw a couple other RVers that did the top white and then the bottom like a sage green. So I got a few light sage colors and then like a dark, sort of dark gray green. So I don't know, still thinking on that. And then we went to Floor & Decor, and we didn't really find one that we could agree on. Charlie likes the darker, I like the lighter. But we did find this one at Home Depot, which is like a mid-tone. So it's called Trail Oak, and it's waterproof and very thin. So I think we're leaning towards that one. And then paint colors, we still have a little bit of time to figure that out. But tonight we're gonna just be sanding and continuing to prep for painting next week. Harold! Okay, you got it on my door. Look at this. Charlie! No more! Got it on my door. You good?
I ate the wrong one.
What is it?
I ate it the wrong way.
What's it called? Will you come look at my door?
It's a fruit.
Look at it. Flatter.
Oh! That was perfect.
It's terrible.
That's hilarious. That hit pretty hard.
I know.
Yep. Keep going.
What?
Push your right hand forward and keep your left hand. Nope. Do what you were doing before. Nope. It's a latch. There you go. You almost got it. Hold that one. All right. Stop what you're doing right now. Stop what you're doing right now.
Okay.
Use your right hand to push towards your left hand. Straight on. There you go.
Oh, good teamwork.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Dream Team.
We got a ton done on the camper this week. I got all the wood replaced. Sarah learned how to use
A sander and a drill.
and we're like almost ready to paint.
Yeah, hopefully this weekend if we can sand a few nights this week. But we're just very glad that you're on this journey with us.
Come check out our next video.
Expanding my repertoire.
And also her vocabulary.
Is that a word?
Because repertoire is something you just don't whoop out willy-nilly. It's a word. It was used in the right context.
Start over.
You got some in your teeth.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Like your left incisor.
Good.
I don't think that's a thing. One of your canines.
Good.
It's right there. That one. And repertoire.
Alright, this is the last cut,
All
right? Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.